On that first day, he said to me, and I quote, "I can have lunch or tea with any movie star, with any member of royalty, with any member of the fashion industry or the political world or the news world. But do you know who I want to have tea with?" And I said, "No, who?" And he said, "You." This friendship, this mentorship, he gifted me, lasted many years. And we would have tea, and I would bring banana cake, gluten-free, and he helped me find my grace, which is in turn what I would like to do for each and every one of you.